Hi children, good morning. Today is Monday and we have English today. So before getting into the lesson for today, you all remember Miss Juno showed you A last week? A. Are you all able to hear? Kekudha ungalku? A. Yes. So Miss Juno showed you how to trace using this sandpaper letter. Using this letter. Okay? Fine. Shall I trace it again for you? Shall we go ahead and trace it? Okay, so starting from here, draw a sleeping line. Draw a sleeping line and a curved line without taking your fingers away. Clear? Shall we do it once again? Okay, draw a sleeping line and a curved line. A. Are you able to hear? Kekudha clear? Are you all able to hear? Okay, this is A. Fine. Then Miss Juno also showed you some words. Remember these pictures? Very good. Shall we see them again? Shall we go through them again? So this is A. Okay? This is elbow. A. Elbow. Elbow. The pointed elbow that Miss Juno showed you the last video. Yes. A. Engine. A. Engine. A. Egg. A. Exercise. A. Envelope. And what does this man do? He's standing in the edge. A is about to fall. Are you all able to see this red arrow? See here? He's standing in the edge. Edge. Then this is a stone that she spoke about. Emerald. Exit. Exit means going out. The board that shows you the way out. Then elephant. Elephant. Clear? Okay, so you all saw these pictures. Now, let's see some words, some pictures that I have drawn here. An envelope and an egg. Egg. Okay? So now, I'm going to teach you how to trace A. Are you all ready? Okay, so this is A. Right? As I showed you in the sandpaper, you have to draw a sleeping line and a curved line. A. Draw a sleeping line and a curved line. A. We'll do it once again. Okay. Sleeping line, curved line. A. I'll do it for you here once again. Sleeping line, curved line. You should not take your hands, okay? Sleeping line, curved line. A. Are you all able to see here? Is it clear for you? Okay. Then, these are some of the words that I have written here that starts with the sound A. You might not be able to read all the words, but for your convenience, for your understanding, I have written A in red color. Are you all able to see it? Okay, so the first word that is here is end. End. What will you say for end? Let's end this. The end. Miss Juno says in the story, right, on every Mondays, she says the end means the story got over. So end is it's getting over. Clear? Then we have escape. You all know escape? What does escape mean? Tappichu pordu. You all remember? Escape. Getting escape from tappichu odi pordu. Escape from the fire nu solvanga. Have you all heard? எங்கயாவது கேள்விப்பட்டிருக்கீங்களா? Escape from the fire means there is a fire accident. எங்கயோ fire ஆயிடுச்சு. What will you do? You'll try to run away from there. So running away is escape. Then you have escalator. Escalator. What does that escalator mean? Now I'm going to take you to a mall. Say for example, Phoenix Mall. You remember? How do we go? One floor ko innor floor ko how do we go? We go with the help of a escalator. On the stairs it goes up, it takes you up by itself. Remember? So escalator, escalator. Then you have enter, enter. Enter, now what does enter mean? The opposite of exit is enter. Exit now going out. Enter means coming in. Enter into the room. Get into the room. Room kulla vaanga. You understand? There is another meaning for enter also. Where do you find enter? The computer keyboard. You remember pressing enter? Enter. Okay. Then you have enjoy. You have something very nice. See, for example, ice cream. You have an ice cream to eat. What will you do? You will eat and enjoy it. Enjoy. Then you have elder. Elder brother, elder sister. Elder means periyavanga, who are elder to you, bigger to you. Elder sister, elder brother. We commonly say grandparents, we commonly call them elders. Solluvom illaya, elders. Kekkuda? Elder. Then you have an engineer. You remember seeing engine here? Engine. Engineer. Okay, engineer maybe is a person maybe who constructs buildings la construct பண்றதுக்கு போடுற அந்த map போடுறவங்க அந்த the drawing they do, they are called as engineers. Okay, fine. Okay, so now this is a. You are now clear of how to trace a and identify a. Okay, now we'll sing a song before ending this class for today. We'll sing that song of a. Okay, Ms. Juno, please join. Okay, yeah. Shall we start? 1, 2, 3. Eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, crack the egg like this. So nice, no? I enjoyed. I enjoyed singing. Okay, then I'll see you in another class. Until then, bye. Sorry. நம்ம புக்கை மறந்துட்டோமே. I hear somebody telling like, ma'am, worksheet சொல்லவே இல்லை. Yes, worksheet and homework I forgot. Sorry. Shall we go ahead and see what for today? What is there for today? Come. Yeah. Please, M1 children, please open your English worksheet and take page number 8. In page number 8, you will see this activity. You will see this. Trace and write the sound a. See here how to trace. Okay, you have to trace it like this. And a for egg. Yeah. Then trace a here. A, and don't forget to write it all by yourself here. Okay. Fine. Now turn to page 9. You will see egg and elephant. A as in egg. A as in, what is this? Elephant. Color egg and elephant and enjoy. Enjoy. Okay. Now take page number 10. Go to page number 10 and you have to do this activity. What is this? This is a, what is this? This is a net. See here, net. Net. So what you have to do is you have to write the missing letter a here. So you see here, this is a net, web, leg, peg, jet. Okay. So what we have to do is, in these words, you hear the a sound in the middle. Kekda, net, a, net. Are you able to hear? Net. So you have to just write the missing a letters here. A. Okay. So you need not write the n and t. You don't worry about it. You have to write only a in the middle. This is net, net, net. Then you have web. Kekada, are you all able to hear? Kekada, web, web. So write a here, web. Then you have leg. Kekada, leg. Leg. So write a here. Then you have peg, peg. Are you able to hear a sound? Peg. A peg is nothing but a clip which is used to hold the clothes. You all remember which holds something. Peg. Are you able to hear the sound? A peg in the middle. Middle la kekkuda ungalku? Peg, peg. Okay. Then you have jet, jet, jet. Kekkuda in the middle la jet. In the blank irukku illaya andha edathila andha sound neenga anga eludano and sound kekkuda jet. Yes. You will be doing those 3 pages today, and tomorrow for homework you will be tracing a. Okay, which is dated 15/9/2020. You will be tracing a. This is for your reference. Premon children, please open your notebook and you see here you have a here, right? As usual, take your crayons and create colorful rainbow a as an egg. A. Okay, so trace a and create a rainbow a, and also color this egg, the whole egg, the full egg, as well as this cracked egg. What did we see in the song? Crack the eggs like this. Yes? Okay, so go ahead and color the cracked egg and the full egg. Okay, now come to this page, and yes, you have told what to do. Correct. You have to find a here and circle. Say for example, I'll do one for you, the rest you have to do. Where is a? Stop. A. So just circle a. The rest you have to do. Okay? Now this activity, we have to match the pictures that has the sound a, that have the sound a, and draw a line. A, eggs, a. Draw a line. A, envelope, a, exit, a, elephant, a, elbow. A, envelope, a, exit, a, elephant, a, elbow. Do you hear the a sound in a ring? No, right? But you hear the a sound in a exit. A. So draw a line. You do not hear the a sound in a rainbow. A. Do you listen? Do you hear the sound? Sorry. Kekkuda? A. Kekkuda? No. So you will not draw a line. Clear? So you will draw eggs, line towards eggs, elbow, exit, elephant. Yeah. Then this is, what is this? This is a jug, a water jug. You would have seen jug. Do you hear the sound a in a jug? Jug. A. You don't listen, right? You don't hear that word, right? So you will not the sound a. So you will not draw a line. Then a, elbow. Sound is very clear, right? A. So you will draw a line. Then what is this? This is a mouse. Do you hear the sound a? No, not in a mouse, right? So you will not draw a line. Okay? So trace a sound and see where all you see. So you see the words that has a sound. Okay? I'll see you in another video. Until then, bye.